السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. طيب أولا أهلا وسهلا بكم كلكم. وأنا ما حضرتش كلام عشان أبدأ بيه، لأن ببساطة زي ما قلت لكم قبل كده أنا مش عاوز أتكلم، اللقاء ده كله ليكم. فتعالوا نبدأ بسرعة. أفكركم طبعا إن الميتنج بيتسجل حاليا. ولو حضراتكم بصيتوا هتلاقوا الأيقونة بتاعة التسجيل. ابدأ اقرأ.
Our story began.
Our story إيه؟ Our story إيه؟
Our story البلد ديت أنا
لا
ما
لا our
خدتش
story،
بالي
أنا
من
بتكلم على الكلمة دي. Our story
begins.
begins. أيوه.
Yeah. In old
بغداد بلد
بغداد.
ماشي. Our story
A rich
begins in old بغداد. ماشي.
a rich old man is very ill in bed. He calls to his son uh, Sinbad. I'm dying. Sinbad says the old man.
says the
You
old man.
can
بس كده تمام.
say it.
خلينا نقف لغاية هنا. Where does our story begin?
It's begin in Baghdad.
It begins، مش it's بقى.
It
هنقول
begin
it
it
begins
begins.
ليه؟ لأن begin ده فعل، يعني معناه يبدأ. فما دام احنا
مم.
بنتكلم على فعل والزمن مضارع بسيط، مش بنستخدم verb to be، مش بنقول it is، بنقول it begins على طول. إن هي تبدأ. It begins in old بغداد. Does it begin in modern بغداد؟ Does it begin
Uh,
يعني هل تبدأ في بغداد الجديدة؟
no, it begins in all Baghdad.
جميل. A rich old man is very ill in bed. Who is ill? Who
The old
is
man.
ill?
The rich
Mm.
old man.
He calls to his son Sinbad. Does he
Uh,
call to his son Sinbad?
yeah, he called his son Sindbad.
He calls.
I'm
He
dying.
calls.
He call yeah he calls his son Sindbad. I'm dying.
تمام. لا I'm dying دي حاجة هو قالها، يبقى he calls his son.
yeah
طبعا هو مكتوبة هنا he calls to his son، والاثنين صح زي ما حضرتك
yeah
قلتها. بالعكس ده اللي انت قلتها هي اللي اشهر. he
صح.
calls his son. بنقول calls to في حالة واحدة بس، لما تكون عايز ايه يعني تخلي اللي قصادك يتنبه لك، بتنده له بس عايزه يتنبه لك. ممكن نقول مثلا she calls to her driver to stop. عايزه تنبهه بسرعة عشان يقف. في الطبيعي ان احنا بنقول اللي كتب مين يا اخوانا اللي كتب؟ ما حدش يكتب على الشاشة عندنا لو سمحتم. اللي كتب الحاجة دي امسحها. طيب جميل. Does he call to his nephew Sinbad? nephew يعني ابن أخوه. Does he call to his nephew Sinbad? His
He doesn't
nephew.
call his nephew, but he calls his son.
I'm dying. Sindbad says, the old man, you can have all my money, my son, but you must be careful with it. Please don't die. Father says Sindbad unhappily.
So was the old man dying?
No, the old man wasn't dying.
طيب الإجابة
No,
yes.
Sindbad
Yes.
is dying.
هو الراجل بيقول له I am dying
Yes,
Sinbad. فالطبيعي نقول yes he was dying. He was dying.
yes.
تمام. Was the young man dying?
No, the young man wasn't dying.
The old man
The old man is dying.
The old
The
man
old
is
man
dying.
was dying.
Was dying صح كده، انت اصح مني. صحيح. The old man was dying. ممتاز ما شاء الله. Okay. So was Sinbad dying?
No, Sindbad wasn't dying. The old man was dying.
طيب will كده احنا هننتقل لزمن تاني. Will the old man be dying?
The old man will not die. The old man was dying.
لا احنا دلوقتي بنتكلم في زمن ايه؟ في المستقبل. Will he
اوكي.
will he be dying؟ يعني هل هيكون احنا بنتخيل ان القصة دي وقعت في اكتر من زمن ببساطة. فانت تركز على الاحداث. يعني لو الاحداث غلط هتقول لي لا، لو الاحداث صح هتقول لي لكن الزمن مالكش دعوة بيه. جاوبني بس على اساس الزمن اللي انا بسألك عليه. Will the old man be dying؟
Yes, the old man will be dying.
The old man will be dying. Will Sinbad be dying؟
No, Sindbad will not dying. The old man
will not
be dying.
will not be dying. Will this man give all his money to his nephew?
No, old man give his money
will not
to his son.
يس يبقى the old man احنا نجاوب الإجابة المنفية وبعد كده الإجابة المثبتة علشان نتعود نتكلم أكتر ويعني نكريات جمل أكتر. فهنقول the old man will not give all his money to his nephew, he will give all his money to his son. ممتاز جدا جدا رائع. Why was Sinbad unhappy؟
because the old man was dying.
ماشي جميل because his father was dying. طيب أستاذ حسين حضرتك معايا؟
مرحبا أستاذ.
أهلا وسهلا بحضرتك. أهلا وسهلا. Why did the old man call to his son? Why did the old man call to his son?
He called his son.
أيوة.
He called his son.
To علشان
to be careful with the money, with his money.
ممتاز. إجابة جميلة جدا. علشان يكون حريص على الفلوس اللي هو هيورثها له. To be careful or to tell him that he was dying. علشان يقول له برضو إن هو بيموت.
Okay.
اتفضل اقرأ يا أستاذ حسين.
Sinbad's father dies.
Father dies. Sinbad's
Okay.
father dies.
Sinbad's father dies. And
ممتاز.
Sinbad is unhappy for a long time.
ممتاز ما شاء الله.
But one day he thinks, I'm very lucky man.
I am a very lucky man.
I
Yes.
am a very lucky man.
ممتاز.
I have a lot of money now, some beautiful things, and a big house.
Why is Sinbad unhappy? Why is Sinbad unhappy?
He was unhappy because I lost his father.
Because إيه؟
Because
أيوة.
he lose his father.
He lost his father. He lost. ما دام احنا بنتكلم في الماضي جميل. Because he lost his
He
father.
lost.
أو ممكن نقول because
Okay,
his
thank
father died. زي ما موجود عندنا. Because his father died.
His died.
Why does he think he is a very lucky man? Why does he think he is a very lucky man?
Because he have a lot of money.
He has بقى. Because he has صح. Because he has a lot of
Because
money.
He has. Sorry.
تمام.
Because he has a lot of money.
مش بس a lot of money. He has a lot of money. وإيه تاني؟
Some beautiful things.
ممتاز. A big house.
And a big house.
جميل. هنلاحظ ان في الانجليزي لما بيعطفوا حاجات على بعض مختلف عن العربي. احنا في العربي بنحط واو في كل حاجه. انا عندي بيت وعندي دايما نكرر الواو. هم بيحطوا and في اخر حاجه في اخر حاجه بس. هو I have a lot of money ما قالش and some beautiful things. قال I have a lot of money some beautiful things and a big house. يبقى and بتتحط في اخر حاجه خالص. and a big house. جميل جدا يا استاذ.
طيب. Thank you.
السؤال بقى. Do you think Sinbad likes his father? السؤال ده إجابته مش موجودة بس ممكن تستنبطها. Do you think Sinbad likes his father? هل تعتقد إن سندباد يعني هل تعتقد إن سندباد بيحب أبوه؟
No.
ما بيحبش أبوه. طب ليه؟
Yes.
طب إحنا ممكن نقول كاستنباط. طبعا هو السؤال ده مش يعني هو السؤال ده فعلا إجابته مش موجودة بس ممكن نقول he likes his father because he is unhappy for a long time. هو كان أو هو فضل حزين فترة طويلة. فمعنى إنه حزين فترة طويلة إنه هو كان بيحب.
بس ما أستاذ مداخل.
تفضل.
لم أفهم السؤال بالبداية. توقعت أن يكون يشبه أباه.
يشبه في فرق بقى بين خلي بالك إن يشبه هتبقى he looks like لو إحنا عايزين نتكلم عن شكله يعني أو he is like. he is like خلي بالك.
نعم.
يشبه is like يعني تحط is قبل like. إنما likes دي معناها يحب. يبقى خلي بالك من الاثنين دول فرق بينهم مهم جدا. لما عاوز أقول أنا بحب فلان أقول I like أي حاجة بقى بعدها. طيب I am like فلان يبقى I'm like you يبقى أنا إيه؟ أنا شبهك. طب جميل جزاك الله خير. Was Sinbad unhappy for a short time? Was Sinbad unhappy for a short time?
No, he was unhappy for a long time.
Was he happy for a long time?
No, he doesn't happy. He was unhappy for a long time.
جميل. يبقى نقول ايه he، اما نقول ما دام احنا بنسأل الماضي هنقول ايه he was not happy، مش هنقول doesn't. he was not. ليه؟ لان happy دي صفة، ما دام صفة يبقى ما حدش هيقدر يتعامل معاها غير بس verb to be. تمام؟ يبقى verb to do ملوش دعوة بالصفات. لما عايز اقول مثلا انا جائع، جائع دي صفة، فاقول I am ده verb to be. يبقى انا بستخدم دايما الصفة، بستخدم مع الصفة verb to be. I am happy، انا اكون happy. I am sad. ومع الاسماء مثلا لو عايز اقول I am اسلام هستخدم برضو verb to be. يبقى verb to do verb to have ما لهمش دعوه بالصفات، ما بيعدوش مع الصفات ولا مع الاسماء. اللي بيتعامل معاهم بس هو verb to be. be وطبعا was و were و I و am وهكذا يعني am و is و are وهكذا. Does he have a lot of money? Does Sinbad have a lot of money?
Yes, he have a lot of money.
لا هي
Now
ايه بقى؟
some beautiful.
لا لحظه.
He
لا
has.
انا عايزك بس تجاوبني على الحته الصغيره دي. Does he have a lot of money؟ الحته الصغيره دي بس.
Yes, he has a lot of money.
Does he have some beautiful things؟
Yes, he has some
برافو،
beautiful things.
ممتاز ممتاز. Does he have a small house؟ Does he have a small house؟
No, he has a big house.
جميل. يبقى اديني بقى ان فيها الاول. قول لي هو ما عندوش بيت صغير، هو عنده بيت كبير. هنقولها ازاي؟
He has not a small house. He has a big
هنا
house.
جميل. هنقول هنا he doesn't have a big house, a small house. He has a big house. قولها تاني كده. he does not
He does not have a big house, a small house. He has a big house.
he has a big house. جميل. Do you think Sinbad is lucky? Do you
Yes,
think
he lucky.
he is lucky؟ زي ما احنا قلنا is اللي هو verb to be، وlucky دي صفة، محظوظ. كلمة lucky معناها محظوظ. فانا ما ينفعش اقول he lucky، لازم احط بينهم وبين بعض verb to be. he is lucky. Is he unlucky؟
No, he is lucky.
انفيني بس. قول لي he is، هو مش
He doesn't unlucky.
he is not.
lucky.
تاني المرة التانية تقولش does. احنا هنا بنتكلم عن صفة. again صفة أو اسم ما فيش عندك خالص أي خيار غير verb to be. يبقى he is not unlucky، he is lucky. تمام كده؟ يبقى صفة أو اسم ما ينفعش نستخدم معها do does، ما ينفعش. do و does بنستخدمهم مع الأفعال. زي ما قلنا مثلا هو يملك بيت. does he have؟ خلاص؟ يبقى do عشان أصلا do معناها يفعل، بنستخدمها مع الأفعال. verb to be في الزمن البسيط بنستخدمه مع الأسماء والصفات.
Yeah, with his father's money, Sinbad buys new things with weird and expensive things to eat
لا
from.
لحظة. new things to ايه؟
To wear.
لا wear مش wear يعني يرتدي. ماشي. wear.
Sinbad buys new things to wear and expensive things to eat from the market. Everything Sinbad's friends come to his house. They eat
معلش.
and drink
every evening. أيوة. Sinbad's friends
come to his house. They eat and drink all night.
What does Sinbad do with his father's money?
He buying new things to wear.
خلي بالك هي مكتوبة هنا. he buys ببساطة.
Yeah. He buys new things to wear and expensive things to eat from.
To wear.
And expensive things to eat from the market.
تمام. ليه قلنا he buys؟ اقصد احنا قلناها في المضارع وحطينا لها اس كمان. ليه؟
عشان مفرد.
ممتاز، صح. يبقى اذا لما نكون بنذكر الفعل، انا المعلومه بقولها بس عشان برضو غيرنا يستفيد من الناس اللي بتسمع. وزي ما قلت قبل كده كل اللي بيسمع يا اخوانا كده ميكروفونك مقفول، حاول تجاوب بصوت عالي عشان تتعود على الكلام. طيب قلنا سندباد بايز، لما بتيجي تتكلم عن مفرد غائب لازم تحط له اس تعويضا عن ان هو لوحده غايب. لو جمع غائب ما بتحطلوش اس. لو مفرد وحاضر يعني شخص انت بتكلمه فدوا مش بيتحط له ايه؟ مش بيتحط له اس. تمام. يبقى سندباد does he buy old things؟
he buy new things to wear.
What did he buy?
He buy clothes, I think clothes and expensive things to eat from the market.
جميل. سؤال إجابته مش موجودة عندنا. Do you think Sinbad followed his father's advice?
No, he didn't follow his father's advice because he advised him. He advised him to take care from his money, but he
To be careful.
he
To
bought
be careful
something.
with the money. تمام. To be careful with the money. ممتاز. تاني
But
جاوب تاني.
no, he doesn't follow his father's advice because his father
he didn't. احنا قلنا
he didn't
تمام.
he didn't follow.
مم.
He didn't follow his father's advice because he bought new things to wear and expensive things to eat from the market.
يبقى اذا معنى كده ان ابوه قال له خلي بالك من الفلوس، ما تصرفش كتير، وهو طالع من الناس اللي بتصرف. spender يعني بيصرف كتير. جميل، ممتاز جدا. Do his friends come to his house every evening?
Yeah, his friends come. His friends come to his house every evening. Yeah.
Why did they come? Why did في الماضي. Why did they come?
They came to eat and drink all night.
They came.
They came. Yeah,
Hmm.
they came to drink and eat all time.
All night.
All night. I'm sorry.
تمام. بنقول دايما ايه لما نيجي نقول all time بنقول all the time، لكن عايزين نقول مثلا all night, all day, all week ما بنحطش ده. تمام. جميل، ممتاز. اجابتك جميله جدا يا استاذنا، وتشرفنا بحضرتك.
But after a year, Sindbad has no more money. Every day, angry shopkeepers come to Sindbad's house. Where is our money? They ask angrily. Sindbad goes to the market and he sells his father's best tables and chairs.
ممتاز. Is Sinbad rich?
Yes, he is.
He is rich. Does he have money?
Now, he is not rich.
He
But
is
he
not
was.
rich. He was rich. ممتاز، صح كده. So does he have money?
No, no, he has no more money.
He has no more money. So why are shopkeepers angry?
Because they want
ممتاز،
to
رائع.
have their money.
جميل. أو ممكن نقول they want their money back. They want their money back. عايزين يرد لهم الفلوس بتاعتهم. جميل جدا. طيب why do they come to Sinbad's house?
They come to Sindbad's house to ask him to give him their money back.
To give them their money back. جميل.
To give them.
جميل. So did he pay them back? هل دفع لهم فلوسهم؟
No, he didn't.
He didn't إيه؟
Give him their money.
Give them عشان هم أكتر من واحد. Give them their money. ممتاز جدا. طب تمام، ما فيش إشكال. طيب حضرتك تعرف تقرأي لي نفس القطعة تاني، وقدر الإمكان تحاولي تحوليها كلها الماضي.
But after a year, Sindbad has no more money. Every day, angry shopkeepers come to Sindbad's house. Where is our money? They ask angrily. Sindbad goes to the market, and he sells his father's best tables and chairs.
And chairs. ممتاز جدا، رائع. ماشي، اتفضلي بقى رجعيها الماضي.
حاضر. Sindbad had no more money.
ممتاز. every day angry shopkeepers came رائع.
to Sindbad's house. Where was
لا، هنا ده كلامهم عادي، مش هنحوله. هم قالوا له where is our money. تمام. لأن الكلام محطوط بين قوسين فهو بيتغيرش. where is our money.
مقتبس يعني من كلامهم. تمام. Where is our money? They asked angrily. Sindbad went to the market, and he sell his father's
لا،
best
هنا ايه بقى؟
tables.
هنا ايه؟ sold.
ماشي sold and he sold his father's vegetables and shares.
جميل. and shares. طيب why did he go to the market? Why did he go to the market?
Sindbad went to the market and he sold his father's
ما دام بسأل حضرتك عن السبب فهتقولي to. يبقى he went to the market to علشان to sell his father's vegetables and shares.
vegetables and shares.
ممتاز جدا. أشكر حضرتك جدا. But after a year,
after a year, Sindbad has no more money. Every day, angry shopkeepers come to Sindbad's house. Where is our money? They ask angrily. Sindbad goes to the market and
ممتاز.
he
رائع.
sells his father's vegetables and shares.
ممتاز. نفس الكلام اللي عملته أستاذة آلاء، هترجع الكلام ده للماضي لكن هتتكلم عن نفسك كأن أنت سندباد بالظبط. يعني هتقول ما أنا رحت وأنا عملت وهكذا.
I had no more money. Every day, angry shopkeepers came to me.
to إيه؟
me.
لا.
to
هو
me.
هنا لأن الجملة الأصلية كانت سندباد's house، فأنت عايز تقول بيتي، هتقول إيه؟
to my house.
أيوة تمام. يبقى every day angry shopkeepers came to my house.
To my house. Where is our money? They asked angrily.
رائع.
I went to the market and I sold my father's vegetables and shares.
Why did you go to the supermarket?
I went to the supermarket to sold my
to إيه بقى؟
father's best.
لا خلي بالك to إيه؟
to sold.
لا to sell. to sell. لأن to حرف to معناها لكي. الفعل اللي بيجي بعدها to اللي معناها لكي، الفعل اللي بيجي بعدها بيجي في المضارع. تمام؟ يبقى حتى لو احنا بنتكلم في الماضي هنقول ما ينفعش أقول I went to played. لا I went to play. I came to eat. فبعد الفعل اللي بيجي بعد to بيجي infinitive. infinitive يعني بيجي الفعل عادي في المضارع بدون أي إضافات. طب تاني. Why did you go to the market?
I went to the market to sell my father's vegetables and shares.
And shares. Why did you do that?
Because I had no more money.
Because I had no more money. رائع جدا. إجابة جميلة. Why were the shopkeepers angry? Why were the shopkeepers angry?
Because I didn't give them their money.
With the money, he buys some beautiful carpets. I can sell to different countries, Sinbad thinks, and I can sell these carpets for a lot of money. Then I can give the money back to the shopkeepers. Next, Sinbad finds an old ship with a very old captain. What was Sinbad's plan to pay the shopkeepers back? What was his plan? يعني ايه الخطة بتاعته ان هو يدفع الفلوس او يرجع للناس للشوب كيبرز فلوسهم اللي هم اصحاب المحلات يعني. his plan خطته. طيب هنا عشان نقول خطته كانت هنقولها ازاي يا استاذنا؟ بنقول his plan was to كذا كذا كذا. تمام. his plan was to يبقى عشان او ممكن اجاوب لحضرتك السؤال وبعد كده اطلب منك تجاوبه تاني. هو هنا بيقول I can sell. يبقى his plan was to sell those carpets for a lot of money. Then he can give the money back to the shopkeepers. تمام. طبعا قبلها ممكن تقول ان هو ناوي انه يسافر. He can sail to different countries. He can sail to different countries. تمام. طب تاني نقول تاني. What was his plan to pay the shopkeepers back? What was Sinbad's plan to pay the shopkeepers back? طيب خلينا أسألك سؤال تاني. What does he buy? What does he buy with the money? What does he buy with the money?
He bought
لا خلي بالك، انا قلت لك what does يبقى احنا في المضارع. لو قلت لك what did يبقى احنا في الماضي. فانت قول لي في المضارع. What does he buy with the money?
he buys
he buys
a carpet.
some beautiful carpets. يعني بعض السجادات شكلها حلو. يبقى مش واحدة بس، لأنك لو قلت a carpet يبقى واحدة بس، لكن هو اشترى سجاد كتير. جميل. So do you think he will leave بغداد؟ هل تعتقد إنه هيسيب بغداد ويمشي؟ Do you think he will leave Baghdad?
Yes, he did.
I think he will leave. Yes, he will leave Baghdad.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله. ازيك يا بشير؟
الحمد لله بخير. الحمد
وحشنا.
لله. انت كمان والله. الله
منور.
يحفظك. الله يبارك
طيب
فيك.
بشير يا
حضرتك
اخوانا
منور والله.
جاري داخل يهضر. تمام. طيب
الله.
اتفضل اقرأ وخليها في الماضي، وانت بتقرأ رجع كل حاجة للماضي.
With the money he bought some beautiful carpets. I could sell.
لا ما دام الكلام محطوط، ما دام الكلام محطوط بين قوسين ما نحوله.
تمام. I can sell to different countries. Sinbad thought.
ممتاز.
And I can sell these carpets for a lot of money. And then I can give the money back to the shopkeepers. Next, Sinbad found an old ship with a very old captain.
رائع جدا. طيب هنحولها تاني للماضي، لكن المرة دي هنتكلم هنقول he wanted بدل he، يعني معنى كده ان احنا هنحول بقى الكلام كله حتى اللي بين قوسين. تمام. اتفضل ابدأ تاني. With the money he bought.
With the money he bought some beautiful carpets. I could.
No.
Right.
Because he wanted to sell.
Because
he wanted to sell. يعني هو أراد إن هو يسافر.
He wanted to sell to different countries. Sinbad thought because.
لا من غير حاجة. من غير سندباد. خلاص احنا قلنا he wanted and he could sell these carpets.
And he could sell these carpets for a lot of money. Then he could give
the money back to the shopkeeper. لا he could give. بعد could دي من حاجة اسمها model verbs. فأي حاجة بتيجي بعد الموديل verbs سواء كان
زي did كده.
لا did حاجة تانية خالص. هو الموديل verbs زي كان وcould will would وshall وshould والحاجات دي، كل الحاجات اللي هم شبه بعض دول. تمام ماشي. he could give the money back to the shopkeepers.
Next, Sinbad found an old ship with a very old captain.
طيب أسئلة سريعة. will he sail to different countries?
When he sail
will he sail?
Well, yes he can sail to different countries.
He will sail. ما دام انا قلت لك will جاوب على نفس الزمن اللي انا قلته، يبقى he will sail to different countries.
Yes he will to sail. He will to sail different countries.
لحظة أنا بقول لك will he sail، فالإجابة يعني هل سوف يسافر؟ فالإجابة ببساطة yes he will sail.
ماشي. Yes he will sail to different countries.
To different countries. طيب will his father sail to different countries?
No, his father will not to different will not to different we will not sail to different countries.
ممتاز جدا.
3 days later Sinbad is ready to leave Baghdad. He tells ماذا أقدر أشوف؟
he talks excitedly
the sailors on the ship. I want to bring back a lot of money. He tells them the ship sails was from Baghdad.
Away. The ship لا تاني. The ship sails away.
The ship sails away from Baghdad and was out to sea.
To sea. And out to sea. And out to sea.
And out to sea. Sinbad begins to feel ill. After 2 days at sea, Sinbad is very ill.
Is Sinbad ready 4 days later? Is Sinbad ready 4 days later? يعني بعد 4 أيام.
No, Sinbad was ready after 3 days.
جميل. احنا طبعا نقولها برضو. افكرك ان انا بسألك في المضارع is he ready، فانت تقول لي yes he is ready 3 days later او كده. تمام كده. يبقى حافظ بس انك تلاحظ انا بسأل على انه زمن وتجاوب عليه. طيب
Okay.
Is Sinbad ready to go to Baghdad?
No, he is ready to leave Baghdad.
تمام، يبقى he is not ready. قولي الإجابة المنفية دايما يا
He is
اخوانا،
not
يبقى دي
ready.
طريقة الإجابة. ما دام بسألك سؤال إجابته نو، اديني الإجابة المنفية وبعد كده اديني الإجابة المثبتة عشان تتعود إنك تتكلم بجميع الطرق، جملة منفية وجملة مثبتة وهكذا. بعد كده لك he talks excitedly to all the sailors on the ship. excitedly معناها بحماس، يعني هو كان بيتكلم بحماس لجميع البحارة اللي موجودين على السفينة. did he talk sadly to all the sailors on the ship?
No, he is not tells excitedly the sailor on the ship.
he didn't لأن احنا بنقول he did. ما دام احنا بنسأل في الماضي يبقى تقول لي he didn't.
نعم.
he didn't
نعم.
talk. he didn't talk
He
sadly.
didn't tell excitedly the sailors on the ship.
طيب ماشي، يبقى الإجابة باختصار he didn't talk sadly to all the sailors on the ship. he talked excitedly to all the sailors on the ship. تمام كده؟ طيب what did he say? what did he say to the sailors?
He want to bring back a lot of money.
جميل. هنا بقى طبعا إجابتك كويسة. الحاجة بقى اللي أنا عاوز أركز عليها لما أقول he said، خلي بالنا من الحتة دي يا أخوانا. لما أقول he said، لما أقول إن في واحد من الناس قال، فأنا عندي طريقتين أنقل بيهم كلامه. إما إن أنا أحط كلامه بين قوسين واجيبه زي ما هو في نفس الزمن اللي هو قاله وبنفس التفاصيل اللي هو قالها، يبقى ممكن اقول he said I want to bring back a lot of money. ممكن اقول كده اهو. والطريقه الثانيه ان انا احكي الكلام بتاعه، والطريقتين دول احنا بنعملهم في العربي برضه. يعني بمعنى انا لما اقول لك مثلا احمد قال ايه امبارح، فانت ممكن تقول لي احمد قال ان هو هيسافر. ان هو ممكن تقول احمد قال لي انا هسافر. فانت ممكن تحكي الكلام بطريقتين. تمام، يبقى ممكن نقول he said I want to bring back a lot of money، وممكن نقول he said that he wanted to bring back a lot of money. لو قلنا بالطريقه الثانيه اللي هنا احنا بنحكي كلامه، مش هينفع اقول I لان بحكي عنه. فهو قال ان هو عاوز he wanted to bring back a lot of money. تمام. وفي الطريقه الثانيه برضو هنغير الضمائر وهنغير الزمن ونخليه الزمن اللي هو قاله، عاده الزمن اللي حصل فيه الفعل. يعني لو هو قال امبارح يبقى الزمن بقى في الماضي. تمام، يبقى he said he wanted، يعني هو أراد. he said that he wanted to bring back a lot of money. أشكرك يا أستاذ حسين.
But then he says, beautiful island, please stop. He says to the
captain.
مش واضحة.
to the captain.
The captain, Sindbad and some of the sailors land on the island. Sindbad takes a barrel with him.
A
barrel with him.
برميل يعني.
He wants to look for water. The captain stays on the ship.
ممتاز. طيب بما ان حضرتك كنت معانا المره اللي فاتت، حولي كله الى المستقبل. تمام، مع النفي. يعني انفي كل الجمل وحوليها للمستقبل في مره واحده. اتفضل.
But then he won't see a beautiful island. Please stop. He won't say to the captain.
ممتاز.
Sindbad and some of sailors land on the island.
Sindbad and some of the sailors
land of the island. Sindbad will want to take a barrel with him. He will not. نفس النطق حضرتك، يعني النفي
want. بس هي want اللي احنا بننطقها، لو هننطقها بالامريكان بنقولها want. يبقى he won't
want to look for water. The captain won't stay on the ship.
رائع جدا. طيب أسئلة سريعة. Will Sinbad see a beautiful island?
Yes, he will see a beautiful island.
Will his father see a beautiful island?
No, his father won't see a beautiful island.
Will Sinbad see an ugly island?
No, he won't see an ugly island. He will see a beautiful island.
What will he say to the captain?
He will say to the captain.
He will ask the captain to stop. تمام. he will ask like or he will
ask
say stop.
captain
ممكن
for-
تقولها ببساطة خالص he will say stop. طيب تمام. will the captain go with them؟
The captain stays on the ship.
يبقى the captain will not go with them, he will stay on the ship. يبقى الكابتن مش هيروح معاهم، هيفضل stay يعني يقيم أو يظل في السفينة. هو فعلا كده فات ساعة، فأنا هقفل